Holy shit! The emergency alert system wasn't kidding. The island is completely flooded. Some time later, it seems like the flood has vaporized. Alright. Back home I go. Alright. The flood has disappeared. Let's see what is happening next season. Nani?
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Really, nigga?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Epic Games Department and the United States government at 5:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There has been a sighting beyond planet Earth that shows a godlike being devouring entire planets.
Hallelujah! Holy shit!
As well, the astronomical being has been identified as Galactus.
What the fuck?
As well, there is also sightings of other beings who have been identified as Thor Odinson, Jennifer Walters, Groot, Rocket Raccoon, Mystique, Dr. Victor Von Doom, and Stark Industries President, Tony Stark. Holy shit. This is getting real. As well, we have sightings of a silver male humanoid figure, riding a surfboard in midair. Could this mean the humanoid figure in question had been identified as Silver Surfer? I fucking knew it. Stay tuned for more information about this perhaps catastrophic situation. The world is at stake.